Welcome to dotcom Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to turn off autopay on Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to Billing. And as you see from this subscriptions page, I have a single web hosting plan or subscription with auto renewal or auto pay on. To turn off this auto pay, simply click on this little arrow. This menu slides in. Click on this disable auto renewal button. Disabling auto renewal means, or auto pay means, that your web hosting will expire on this date. That means your website will go offline, search engines ranking could drop, associated email inboxes won't send or receive email. Here you can check this box next to get WhatsApp reminder to your phone number before the expiration date. And to turn off autopay for this web hosting plan, simply click on disable auto renewal button. And just like that, the auto renewal is off. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom Builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. The auto renewal is off. As you see, same thing here. And this is how to turn off autopay on Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like.